Hi all. Today I'll be taking you all through my skincare routine. This mask routine I do like once a week. So I'll just take you all through the steps, and if you all like my content, please click the like button, click the subscribe button below, and support me. Thank you so much. Lip balm first and foremost. This is Pixie by Petra's Shea Butter lip balm. Then what I'll do is I'll use my Thayer's facial mist witch hazel toner on my face. And my face is clean right now. It's so clean face toner on my clean face. And then I will take out my mask. So this is Sway Hydration Sensor Mask. So this innovative sheet mask using a unique star print that changes color based on skin temperature helps to indicate where skin is losing hydration due to excess heat. This mask provides soothing benefits with excellent moisture for bouncy and radiant looking skin. So I just have to unfold and place this mask on my face and then wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my god, this is awesome. So there are stars that are supposed to come on the mask, which indicates the level of hydration of my skin, but I can see some stars right now. Okay, let me see. I can see purple stars. So can you see that? Can you see those purple stars here? So my skin is relatively cool and I'm not losing hydration, that means. Yay, I can see purple stars here, one here. Okay, so there are purple stars, and that means my hydration is like really good. Now it's been 15 minutes and I will take off my mask. Oh, by the way, I think I saw one black star somewhere. No, it's all purple. So anyways, my hydration is really good and I'm happy about that. Anyways, I don't need to rinse off the essence. I just have to moisturize it into my skin. This feels so good, and this is like a pamper session once a week. The next step is my most favorite. I will use this vitamin C serum. Y'all can see that. I will use this on my face now. Okay, now that is absorbed into my skin, and I will go ahead with the hydrating serum Evolue, which I've used in many videos of mine. My skin feels really pumped up and so soft right now. Now I will go ahead and apply this revitalizing eye gel by Malin and Goetz. So yes, just this much. So that's it, that's my skincare routine. And if you like this content, if you want more of such content, please do give my video a like, a subscribe, and please do press the bell icon for you to receive more videos like this. And I will also be doing a lot more videos which have things that you can find in your kitchen, like home remedies and stuff that you can use from your kitchen on your skin that will make your skin really good. So please do keep on watching, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. All my love to you guys.